I got up far too late. I'm late. I didn't hear the alarm again. Why on earth did I even get up? What sort of way is this? To be late, perpetually late. Where am I? What is it I'm doing? Does my job hold any interest for me at all? I've no friends left. There's no one anywhere. This is dreadful. An utter nightmare. I am tormenting myself. Perhaps I'd be better off just going out and getting sozzled, though. Maybe that wouldn't be any better either. But I feel like jumping straight out of my own skin. I've grown to loathe myself. Look, I can't even budge. If only I could somehow put a stop to this frenzy inside me. I don't know how to go about it. Tomorrow everyone will be laughing at me again when that fool starts shouting. Today I shall ring in and say I'm ill. Well, that's the end of it, and I honestly couldn't care less. I am completely unwell and I shan't be setting foot on the terrace today either. Asterisk. I have few comments to add. Our fellow citizen has expressed himself clearly, and at full volume. He's said it all. He isn't going to work today, seeing as he's late, perfectly understandable. But our fellow citizen is late time and again. He was late yesterday, and he was late the day before as well. We shan't scold him and pass judgment like his employer might. Yet I am quite sure our fellow citizen shall be late again tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow just the same. From Recension. Across the 72 stories gathered in the 3 parts of this collection, we are presented with what may be one of the most turbulent journeys into man's subconscious in recent domestic literature, following a 2-year period of getting to know himself and his own subconscious in relation to reality, and the impact of reality upon him, his most deeply concealed needs, desires, and yearnings, as the author himself confides in the introduction. He has succeeded in fashioning a sort of kaleidoscope of the profoundest emotions, which with each new story, and with each of our own individual experiences, shift and form an ever new pattern, giving shape, again and again, to fresh configurations of the soul and its likenesses. In this way, he has shown us, in the most authentic manner possible, how our encounters with the outer world and our daily experience alter everything that makes man the most perfect creature in nature, above all precisely through his imperfections.